What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, I'm in a shakedown mood, man. I feel like driving everything. I feel like driving everything, man. Now, on the real though, I'm getting ready for something, man. I'm finna get ready for something, so I need to make sure everything operational. So today, then y'all see, man, I'm gonna be coming out till it start. The sun about going there and eating because it be so hot. So we finna get 2 shakedowns in, man. I'm finna shake down Meech on the 24, and then we're gonna come back, bring Meech back, get brown coat, shake brown coat down. Cause brown coat, man, it been like it have to warm up or something, so it be pop, 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 pop. And so I'm gonna see if it be warmed up by the time I get to the spot, see how it do and all that. Cause I'm about to take brown coat to the track next. It's going next, actually. Brown coat going to the track. I'm probably take it Friday. Put the slicks on it, take it to the track, run on motor, get the new time. Then we're gonna look into I'm gonna be straight up, man. I'm finna make a move on it. Everybody playing around, so brown coat probably here to stay. Everybody playing around. Y'all know last time this happened, it was with Dolo. Dolo became one to stay, and I turned up on it. So y'all know me. Y'all know what time that y'all know what time it is, basically. Y'all know what I'm saying. I'm finna change the rear end, new engine. I was just telling the wife about it, man. I said, I'm finna turn up, man. I'm tired of folk playing. Folk be capped out, or they don't want to spend no money, or they want you to give them something away for free, which I refuse. Give them something for nothing, which I refuse to do. So we finna go ahead and get it in. We're gonna come back and check in, cause wife finna get some little dumbbell work in too. So I probably throw a little bit of that in the vlog, man. She been getting down, but y'all gotta follow her Facebook. She been doing some amazing things. So we're gonna go make these hits. They probably gonna be just back-to-back footage because we're gonna come. I ain't gonna do no transitional clip. We're gonna come drop one out, then get the other one and check back in. All right, we're taking in, man. We made it back. Made the last hit with old brown coat. This old thing here still got it. This thing here run good, man. It run good. So made the hit with brown coat, hit with Meech. Both of them jokers went down through there. So what we about to do, I'm finna wife finna get it in, and then we gotta run to the store. So we probably just gonna drive. Well, ain't no problem here. We just gonna drive old brown coat, hit the store. All that, get some roll time. Cause I'm telling you, I'm finna make a move on this joke. I'm tired of folk playing around. I've had enough. So I'm finna spin the bag. It is what it is. We're gonna do it quick. Finna spin the bag in it. We're gonna go fast. Show y'all what I do with something light. Instead of these big heavy tanks, I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is with something light. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. Y'all see wife and she out here. We done worked out, but
yeah.
Oh, you good? She done worked out, but she doing extra call. Trying to get them bench numbers up. So she about to rock out with them 60s. First set.
60.
So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, get a little spot, get it started. There you go. 3. Come on. 4. 2 more. Come on down with it. 6. That 1. Come on with it. There you go. 2. Stay tight. Keep it tight. 3. 4. 2 more. Keep it tight. There you go. She out here making it happen, y'all. 3rd set. I told you she like a sleeper car. She be having the regular shirts on. You can't tell. Yeah, she got a baggy shirt on, boy. Wifey like this, y'all. Wifey like this. I heard she said, don't let them fool you. She done put the work in. Still on the 3rd set, move down to the 55. She gonna do sets of 10s. Gonna make that happen. Then we gonna hop in this old brown coat. There you go. Come on, you got it. 3 more, come on. Come on. All right, y'all, checking in. Wife is just knocking out her little practice. So he done cooled out. Didn't get hot at all like that. So we finna roll, man. Hop in brown coat and ride. Run some errands. Since it cooled off a little bit, it's humid. And we're gonna turn y'all back on, man. I'm gonna give y'all the update on what I'm finna do with old brown coat, cause I'm finna change all this. Everything finna change. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We just made it back. Man, y'all listening. Oh, yeah. Man, y'all listening. We get our level. Man, y'all listen to old brown coat, boy. He looking pretty at night. Them old pretty eyes, boy. That thing there is clean. I got a light out right there. I need to change the bulb right there. I ain't even realize that. I need the bulb right there and right there. I'll do that tomorrow. Got a whole pack of them. This old pretty brown coat. Yeah, we been riding. We just got back. Done made us a little shake down everything. Still talking. Yes, indeed, man. I'm gonna turn y'all on. All right, y'all. We checking in, man. It's the next day. Man, I get to moving so much. I be forgetting to close y'all out and all that good stuff. Turn the fan down. Then we get to have fun and all that. And I be like, man, I forgot to close the vlog out. So, y'all seen the shakedowns. Meech on the fold. Meech rolling, man. Meech is rolling. Meech is rolling. I think let me see. I think the race in August, September. I can't remember. I gotta look at the flight. My boy Mandrill have it. I think I'm gonna be there, man. They got a rim class. I'm gonna try that out. No entry fee. Plan on doing that. Run on motor. I don't think I need no nitro. I ain't gonna use none. That harder to manage, but I think I'm gonna do that next Meech. But now I'm finna take the folds off of Meech and I'm back on really getting the joke go down track on nitro, cause nobody, not even myself, has seen that joker really make a pass on nitro. I'm talking about trans brake nitro from the word going, it take and just not hitting the rear limit or hitting the tires. So then my next order being in Dolo too. I gotta take Dolo, man, cause we got the anti-roll bar on there, Dolo. I ain't hit Dolo with no nitro since I ran on the 6 that last time. But I ain't hit it on the nitro. I ain't hit it with no nitrous on the radio since last year. Let's see, I told y'all when I made the pass and stuff, I'm gonna be running on rims stuff, which I gotta get some more rims. I might do that here in the next week or two. Go ahead and buy some more 6s so I can put take the rims off of Don't Game and put them back on Dolo. That's why I ain't take the steering wheel. They going back on Dolo. So I got something else coming for Don't Game. So I'm gonna do that. And the truck, brown coat, man. I'm probably gonna take brown coat to the track next. I was gonna take Dolo, but I'm gonna take brown coat so I can get a time on it, because I told y'all I'm finna make some moves on that truck, man. The way I'm set up, I don't like when people be playing around. I don't like when people play around or try to be cheap and want something for nothing, because I don't get down like that. I know when I'm getting something good, and I don't try to beat people out of stuff, man. I just don't. And if I don't have it, I just ain't got it, you know. But I don't try to beat nobody out of nothing. So my thing is now to go in on the truck and do what I do, really turn it up, which at this point it's gonna be fast, for real. What I do, it's so light, man, it don't take nothing to make it fast. Like, you ain't gotta make a boatload of horsepower to make it fast. So making horsepower and torque combination is easy to me. So I'm making fast, and then somebody want to buy it, they're gonna have to really pay for it, or I damn sit on it. Like, I know the faster they get, I fall in love with them more. I like brown coat anyway, but brown coat was never bought to keep. That's what people be failing to realize. Like, I didn't buy that one to keep. Just like John Jones, I didn't buy it to keep. And brown coat was a mistake. Well, it wasn't a mistake. I mean, but it wasn't. It was an unplanned purchase, what I'm saying. Like, didn't nobody know. I was not even looking for a S10 at the time. It was just, it fell in my lap. I said, it's a great deal, and I scooped it up. But it wasn't a planned purchase, like I'm looking for a truck, looking for an S10. So, you know, I had no plans on keeping it. But I'd be damned if I'm going to give something away. If I'm going to give it away. I said, I even accept trades on it, but it got to be worth it and something I like, you know. But other than that, I'm finna go in on it. When I go in on it, it's going to get high. You talking about anywhere from $2,800 to $3,200 on the rear end I'm finna spend. Then the engine, which I ain't finna get into that right now on what they're gonna cost, but I'm gonna turn it up. I'm finna turn it up basically, cause I'm like, man, I'm tired of folk playing around. Just be real with you. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get the rear end first. And I'm like, man, that's me. Like, it throwing me off. I'm gonna get donk game, but when I start on donk game, man, I'm gonna just donk game gonna be. That's what I'm gonna be on. I ain't gonna be touching nothing else. And I'm still trying to finish Meech too, cause I'm gonna end up. I gotta put that nitrous bottle warmer, get it installed on Meech, so I start using the torch. That's gonna be the next thing get done on Meech, and then I'm gonna switch over to some Menser shocks. I'm gonna go ahead and buy some Menser and put Mensers on all four corners on Meech, and then I'm probably gonna go ahead and get it painted, get the top put on it, get the top redone. We'll get it pulled off, and I'm gonna have to have some body work done underneath the top. I gotta get two fenders. I'm gonna get two fenders. What else I need? I got the bumper fillers for the car already. I've been had that, and I got bumper fillers for Dolo. So I'm be getting cars painted here soon, man. That's just easy part. So I'll be getting them painted with J Hall Automotive, just rotating them one by one. Of course, I'm gonna do Grandma Nana first. I'm doing Nana first because Nana just easy, and it's Nana one of them cars. I'm not gonna do nothing to it. I'm gonna change the engine eventually, but cosmetically, I'm not doing nothing to Nana. I like the interior. I'm not touching the interior. It's OG clean. All it needs is paint. So I'm just gonna paint her first, or Emma. I'm gonna paint Emma because we got everything we need for it finally. So we're gonna get Emma painted, then paint Nana. And you know, start painting these cars and start getting them looking like something, which, like I said, it's the easy part. I don't know why people be so focused on that. That's easy. That's nothing. So yeah, that's what it is, man. That's what the plan is. Like I said, got a lot coming because we finna start cooking up, man. Just been in cruise patrol. More track trips coming because they ready to roll and all that. So yeah, I appreciate your time. Catch y'all later, BCG. We out.